Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to promote affiliate links on Medium. Doing affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, as you don't have to worry about the delivery of the product or anything like that. And also, Medium is one of the best platforms to get started. As in layman terms, Medium is basically the blog version of YouTube. And for example, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb, you can see that Medium is getting over 130 million views per month, and majority of their views are coming from tier 1 countries. As you can see right here, on average they're getting roughly 134 million views per month. And by scrolling down, you can see that majority of their traffic comes from United States. So signing up to Medium, it's quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner once you're on medium.com, and from there you can sign up using your Google account, your email address, or your Facebook account. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and from here all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner, and you are going to tap right where you see write. After you have tapped on write, you will be redirected to this page on which you can start writing your first article. And while doing affiliate marketing, your main aim is to make money, you still have to consider your customers, and you also have to deliver value. As without delivering value, more than likely you won't get any sales, or even if you do end up getting some sales, it will only be one time, as they won't be repeat visitors, for example, to your blog posts or anything like that. Or even if you were to create a YouTube channel and you're not delivering value, you're just pushing sales, you will get a sale here and there, but you won't be at your best potential. So the first thing you want to do after creating your account on Medium, you need to decide which affiliate program you are going to sign up to. And to sign up to an affiliate program, I would recommend that you first do your research. So the first thing you'll do is go onto Google, and you can type in best paying affiliate programs, and there's basically an affiliate program for anything. So if you have a particular niche in mind, whether you like fashion, whether you like football, sports, anything, there's an affiliate program for almost anything. All you'll need to do is simply type in the brand or the type of product that you like to promote, or even the niche that you like to go in, and affiliate programs beside it, and you will see numerous offers that you can sign up to. So let's say, for example, I want to sign up to one of these programs right here. As you can see, I googled best paying affiliate programs, and you can see that these are the 15 best paying affiliate programs. So you have Shopify. So if you are interested to promote e-commerce or online business, you can sign up to Shopify. Or if you are good at blogging, you can sign up to ShemRush. Or if you want to promote hosting, website hosting, you could sign up to Bluehost. There are numerous platforms that you can choose from. And the top 3 platforms right here, ClickBank. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace, meaning that you will see numerous affiliate offers if you were to join ClickBank. And it's the same with ShareASale. ShareASale is an affiliate marketing platform, so they have numerous affiliate offers, and it is also the same with CJ Affiliate. But for this example, the affiliate program that I will be using is Amazon. And to sign up to Amazon affiliate program is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is go onto Google again and type in Amazon affiliate program. And from there you can sign up using your current Amazon account, or you can create a new Amazon account. After you have signed up, you will see a dashboard just like what you see at the top of my page right here. That allows you to get an affiliate link. So if I were to go over to the top left hand corner and tap right where you see get link text, this is my affiliate link. So by promoting this link, if someone were to click on the link within 30 days and go onto Amazon and make a purchase, I would be able to get a commission. And while Amazon does not pay the highest commission rate, It is still very popular because of the cookie duration, which is up to 30 days, and also because Amazon is a trusted brand. Now that we have decided the program that we'll go on, now let me show you how to promote your links on Medium. So to deliver value on Medium, what I would recommend you do is write a blog. And you may be wondering, how are you going to write a blog? Well, I would recommend that you sign up to ChatGPT, or you could use Google Barn AI. Both of these platforms you can sign up for completely free, and they would be able to write an article for you. For this example, I will be using ChatGPT. So all I did was go onto ChatGPT and I simply typed in the prompt, write a SEO friendly article on is a projector better than a TV? Include heading and subheading. As I said earlier, you need to deliver value and not just push sales. So while I could have chosen to write best projectors under $500 or so on, I chose this type of article so that this will intrigue persons to read it, and then you can add your affiliate link in the article. So you can see the article that ChatGPT came up with. Now all I would recommend you do if you are going to use AI to write an article, after you have copied the article, I want you to go onto ZeroGPT. And this is a platform that you can go on to check if your if your article is plagiarized. So all you'll do is simply paste in the article, then you'll tap on detect text. After you have tapped on detect text, you'll give it a few seconds, and you can see that 49% was written by AI GPT. So all you'll need to do now, you're going to see in yellow the section that was written by AI. So all you'll need to do is copy this section. So first we are going to go onto Medium and we are going to paste it right here. Let me do that real quick. So we are going to paste the article right here, and then this is the title. We're going to copy the title. Let me copy the title real quick. After you have copied the title, you're going to tap right here and you're going to paste the title right here. And let me remove the stars. Then I'll remove this. After doing that, you can see I'll go back to ZeroGPT and I'm going to copy each section that is yellow, and then I'm going to go into Quillbot, and Quillbot is a paraphrasing tool. So I'm going to paste the section that was written by AI, then I'm going to tap on paraphrase. Once it has been paraphrased, as you can see right here, all I'm going to do now is copy this section. Then I'm going to go back into Medium and I'm going to copy the entire section right here, and I'm going to paste the paraphrased section now, as you can see right there. Then I'll go back into ZeroGPT again, and I'm going to change that section and see what it says now. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to paste it right here. Then let me scroll down and see which other section it highlighted. You can see right here. So you simply copy this section also, and you're going to go back into Quillbot and you're going to paraphrase this section also. So let's paste it right here, then tap on paraphrase. Once it has been paraphrased again, we are going to tap on the toolbox to copy the text, and you are going to go back into Medium, then scroll down and you are going to copy this section, then you are going to paste it right there. Then let us go back into ZeroGPT and we are going to paste it again right there, and we are going to double check it. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to highlight this section and paste it right here. Then I'll tap on detect text again and see if the percentage has gone down. Let me do that real quick. You can see that it has now gone down to 14%, and you can continue paraphrasing if you want. Once you are finished and you have created your article, All I would recommend you do now is add the links. And to add the link, all you'll need to do, for example, you could scroll right up to the middle of the article right here. So you could scroll right up to the middle of the article right here. And in this section, all I would do is type in best projector for your money, or best projector for the money. Then after you have done that, all you'll need to do now is go onto Amazon. Then I'm going to tap on get link, and I would simply copy the link, then go back onto Medium. Then I would highlight this section that says best projector, and I'm going to tap on the link icon, and I would simply paste the link right there. After you have done that, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the article, and then from here I want you to type in affiliate Then at the bottom of the article, you are going to write in affiliate disclaimer, and you are going to simply type out that this article contains affiliate links, as you need to disclose that. After doing that, all you're going to do next is tap on publish, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.